Welcome to France Advisor. Today we're taking you beyond the usual landmarks to uncover 3 hidden gems in Paris. Get ready to explore the city's secret side, full of charm and history. Let's start with our number 3, Les Galeries Vivier. Built in 1823, it's one of Paris's most beautiful covered passages. With its glass roof, mosaics, and elegant boutiques, it's a hidden gem for shopping and culture. For our number 2, let us present you Les Buttes-chaumont. Les Buttes-chaumont is a 25-hectare romantic hillside park in Paris, built in 1867 by Napoleon III, with waterfalls, rocky cliffs, a lake, and the Temple of the Sibyl. It's a lush escape in the city's northeast. And finally, our number 1, La Rue Crémieux. La Rue Crémieux is a charming pedestrian street in Paris known for its pastel-colored houses, cobblestone path, and vibrant village-like atmosphere. Opened in 1865, it's a colorful escape from the city bustle. We hope you enjoyed this trip through these wonderful places in the capital. Tell us which one is your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support us.